Furlough, furlough. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Furlough day, furlough day, furlough day, furlough day, furlough day is Lolo. Friday come and we gotta stay home. We go to school to learn to read. Friday come and we gotta stay home. More days, not less, is what we need. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Now us kids get an extra long vacation. Friday come and we gotta stay home. And our folks get plenty of frustration. Friday come and we gotta stay home. It's 1 day, 5 days, 10 days off. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Too many days and the brain gets soft. Friday come and we gotta stay home. We go to class on Monday and on Tuesday. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Wednesday, Thursday, but Friday is a cruise day. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Day, furlough day, oh. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Day, miss a day, miss a week, miss a month, we going all fall behind. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Grandpa now he make big fuss. Friday come and we gotta stay home. 'Cause Grandma gotta take care of us. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Come everybody, please start negotiation. Friday come and we gotta stay home. We just want to get an education. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Day, miss a day, oh. Friday come and we gotta stay home. Furlough, furlough day, furlough day, furlough day, furlough day, furlough day is Lolo. You like us flunk or what? Friday come and we gotta stay home.